Hi all, this is Father. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for some things I ordered from Sticker Mule, once again, to my go-to store, of the Color Man keychain and Celeste matte stickers. I know I haven't showed you much about Celeste before, but this is actually one of the stickers that I ordered a while back. This is Celeste right here, and what I didn't really like about it, how the face is really dark. And this is a refrigerator, I'll say refrigerator magnet, just magnets that I ordered of Celeste. You see how the face is much lighter here? So I'm just going to keep these for freebies. Add with people when they come to the craft fair or order an item. I'll just put them in there. And then I order some more matte stickers, so hopefully they'll be lighter like the magnet. And then I showed you before, I ordered matte stickers. Ordered button pins of Celeste as well. I grabbed one already. This is Celeste, cute little lady, the curly hair, and keychain. It's so cool. I like how clear they are of Miss Celeste as well. So let's go ahead and open up the other items. Just to the side. First is going to be Sebastian keychain. See how that came out. Alrighty, so Oh, did I just say Sebastian? I meant to say the Color Man. Wow, because I don't have many male characters, so I call him Sebastian. I meant to say the Color Man. Before I kept calling him the Sticker Man, now I call him Sebastian. Wow. Alright, Color Man. So the Color Man keychain. Once again, the freebies. Sample coaster, stickers, Sticker Mule, and here we are. Dun, 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 dun. Color Man keychain. Cool. I really like those. You can see the outlining, the black outlining of the face. Came out better than I thought it would. Color Man keychain. This is pretty cool. Alright, so I do actually have a customer that's waiting for these. So I'm going to put these on the line so they can buy. They already bought the matte stickers, but I think I'll make a variety pack just with the keychain and the button pins for the people that already bought the matte stickers. So I'll just make them all three. So that's the Color Man keychain. That's pretty cool. And now for Celeste matte stickers. You see they came out the bright color like the magnets, hopefully. Alright, let's see. Miss Celeste. Alright, we got here. There's asking here about how to design. Let's see. This is about, oh, thank you for your interest. Okay. It's talking about the workshop for have for us as customers. Thought it was about design your own t-shirt. Got another thing in here. They do have the one about design your own t-shirt. You always include that. Take all the freebies out first so I get to the main thing. Once again, stickers, coaster sample, more stickers, Stimulus, Sticker Mule, drum roll, Mrs. Celeste. Alright, that's Celeste. Can't really see it, but let's open it up. Got this little strip in the front of it, so I can't really see what it looks like. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's a sample strip of Mrs. Celeste. See if they look bright like the refrigerator magnets. Boom. Cool. They are bright like refrigerator magnets. See? Cool. Refrigerator magnets, matte sticker. This is the first refrigerator. This is the first matte sticker. See how dark they are compared to the brighter ones. These are the ones I'll sell. These are the ones that are freebies. Oh, cool. It came out pretty good. Nice and bright. We can really see all the texture in her face, if you can see. Wow. Okay. This is Celeste. Got the Celeste matte sticker. Button pin. Keychain. You know my next video is going to be. And where are we? Magnets. So this will be separate, but make this like a little variety pack. Celeste keychain, button pin, and matte sticker on my Etsy shop. Art by Valley 1814. So that was a quick video showing you all my things. So I'm going to be adding, like I said, Color Man keychain to my website, as well as all the things for Celeste coming soon. So that was a quick video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share if you haven't already. Will you please leave a comment? It really helps my channel. And see you next time. Bye.